In this video, I will show you how to turn off Duolingo email notifications in 2025. So to get started, go ahead and open Duolingo and head over into your profile by clicking on this profile icon, and then click on this gear icon at the top right of your screen to head over into Duolingo's app settings. So click on that icon, and then in here, go ahead and head over into the notifications tab. So click on that notifications tab under the account section. In here, you'll be able to find this option. So go ahead and head over into the announcement section, and then in here, go ahead and disable that email icon for each of these announcements under this section. And that's basically how you can turn off Duolingo's email notification in 2025.